If you're the type of trader like myself, who's trading for the long term, you'll inevitably come across bad trading days, days where things don't work out, days where you mess up and you're not happy, and that's just part of life. But the key here is going to be how you deal with them. What's up, traders? Welcome back to, once again, Bangkok in Thailand. Today I want to share with you something that's very useful and that I was reminded of in a recent trip I took to Kamak in Thailand. And I came across this place where there was this Snow White and the Seven Dwarf, and I didn't really kind of think about it, and then my girlfriend made me notice that this was there, and I said, oh, it's pretty cool. And looking at the faces of these people, made me realize that people have different ways to react to things when they trade, and that if you learn to react the proper way, but not if you learn to react the proper way, like if you learn to understand who you are, if you learn to understand what you tend to react on and what tend to kind of push you to act, you can learn to master yourself, and that's the key. So here's a quote I want you to kind of write down if you can, or to remember really well if you can. The quote is the following: a bad trading day does not occur because of the market. It occurs because of your reaction to the market, how you react to the market. And that's really key. A lot of people that I see, they are pissed off about the market because they have a bad trading day. And they're pissed off because things didn't work out, or the market didn't give them profit every day, and they're not happy because of that. Some other people, they're pissed off because they have this dream and they don't take action, and then they don't reach their dream. Okay? And so different people will react different ways to the market. So some people will kind of force things because they have a bad day. They will try to push trades and then to trade too fast. Some people are gonna just withdraw and stop trading, like that was the case for myself a few years ago. I would stop to trade when I had a bad day, and sometimes I would like miss profit during that day or during the next few days because I was not there to trade. Big issue, right? Or some people, they'll try to find another option. They will follow signals to be able to recover, and that's not how you do things properly. Okay, so the big thing that I want to talk about in this video is you gotta be able to understand yourself. Okay, what type of trader you are, how you react, and there are two main mistakes that traders can make when they try to trade based on that. The first mistake is they don't understand who they are. So for example, like the Seven Dwarf, right? They all have a different personality. They all have a way to do things. So one is gonna get like really grumpy when he has a bad day, or anytime. One is gonna get really like one is like really dreamy. He's gonna dream about big dream, but he's never gonna take action. Or one is gonna get excited every Monday for no reason. He's gonna want to place trades like as soon as the market opens every Sunday, and that's all different personalities. That's different ways people do things, and all different personalities or kind of characters that people have when they trade. Now, if you don't understand who you are, well, first of all, you're liable to your weaknesses, and you will always be in that cycle of doing the same thing without realizing. So people that have a character and that they don't understand the character, they always do the same thing, and they never really progress or change because they never understand who they are. And so that's the first thing. Now the second thing that people might do wrong, and that's the biggest mistake ever, is people think that they're all wrong. Okay, so people don't see their strength, and they don't use their strength in trading. So think about these people I just talked about. Think about like the one who's like really grumpy. Well, he's like maybe grumpy and like angry all the time when he doesn't have a good day or when something happens. But the good thing is he's like really careful. So he's going to make a really good fund manager because he's really careful. He's going to manage money really well. He's not going to risk money too much because he knows he cannot go too far. He's going to be a little bit like pessimistic about the market, which is a good thing sometimes. The guy who has a big vision, a big dream, the guy who's always dreaming and not taking action, at least he has a big dream in his head. He knows where he wants to get to. And maybe he doesn't take action well, but he knows where to get. It's like a visionary. And that's the thing some people lack in trading sometimes. Like someone doesn't have a vision and they don't know where they're getting to. They work without knowing where they are going to. And that's a bad thing. So at least he has vision. And the guy who's always jumping in trades every Monday or Sunday, who's really like enthusiastic about it, at least he's taking action. I think he's a really good action taker. So he's going to be able to jump in the market. And although that might not be good, like he's always taking action. So he's going to progress over time. And that's a really good thing, all right? People that always take action eventually tend to find a way because they're always in it. They never lack the motivation to do something. And that's really awesome. So you need to understand your weaknesses, but you also need to flip it and understand what your strengths are, what you're best at, what you can use as your advantage, as your like special secret force in trading. And that's something people don't talk about, and I'm surprised, because that can give you a lot of momentum. And that can also kind of make you liable and stuck if you don't understand who you are and how to perform best and how to use your strength to your advantage. So in short, if you guys want to have some help to be able to spot your strength and work on your weaknesses, I'm here to help. I can help you out anytime you want. I'll put a link below if you want to schedule a call with me, and we can talk and go over how we can help you. And that would be awesome. I want to do my best to help you guys this year to kind of reach your goals and achieve whatever you want. And I know for a fact, based on people I work with in the past, that a few months of hard work and precise, proper action can help you save a lot of years of struggling and can help you get momentum quite fast. So I hope that helps. Comment below what you thought as always in this video. I want to hear your questions and your thoughts below. Here are as always a few comments in the past video. Subscribe if it's not done yet. There's a new video like this 4 times per week. And I will catch you guys back here in Bangkok or somewhere else tomorrow. Ciao.